Why we say bless you after a sneeze? Ever wondered why we say bless you after a sneeze? It's a fascinating tale steeped in history. Long ago, sneezes were viewed as ominous signs. People feared it expelled evil spirits. Saying bless you was a protective shield. Others believed it was the soul escaping. The phrase was a plea for it to return. In times of plague, a sneeze signaled illness. Bless you was a desperate prayer for health. Despite the origins, the tradition continues. So, the next time you sneeze, remember, you're part of a storied tradition.